I've been working for TammyDele Films for a while, back when it was Open Rivers Film, and I basically was in the class for both the PA classes and the office PA classes way back when they first started. And since then, I've worked on a lot of films. I have about 5 years worth of experience. Worked on Captain America Civil War, Spider-Man Homecoming. I worked on Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. I worked on a lot of films for Netflix. I've done The Walking Dead. And the last job I worked on, I'm currently finishing up on, is a film for Netflix called Thunder Force with Melissa McCarthy and Octavia Spencer. And I also do a lot of films on my own, little short films and everything else too. So, I'm no longer a PA anymore. I went from PA to secretary, moving up from that too. So a lot of things has happened since the last time, I took the class, and it blessed me greatly with a lot of opportunities and stuff to work with different people. So.
In my field, opportunities that I was looking for. So I took the set production assistant, set PA course, workshop. And following that, while you're on the workshop, while you're doing the workshop for that weekend, you actually do get to interact on a real set. So I had actually connected with the assistant director from the set that we were working on, which happened to be Ernie and Serby, an actual TammyDele Films original. And a couple months later, that assistant director actually contacted me and was like, "Hey Dominique, we need a production assistant on DC Comics Doom Patrol." And I'm like, DC Comics? Yeah, I'm there. I'm so there. And I learned from the workshop, someone calls, they give you that opportunity, you take it, you're available. So I was. And that was also actually a really awesome opportunity for me. It was funny because I ended up seeing a couple of others that I knew that were associated with TammyDele Films on the set. So it's not like a 1 out of 100 chance. It's connections there, and I love that. I had an awesome time working on the set, and it really helped me narrow my focus into what I wanted to do in the production realm. I was also given the opportunity to work as a production assistant for other things that TammyDele Films was connected with in the future, such as a gala that was at the Delta Flight Museum. That was pretty awesome. I've never even been to a gala, so being able to work it and be a production assistant on that was really awesome because it's different than being on a movie set, and they just give you all the different kinds of experience. In addition, I actually got the chance to go to Vegas. Tammy was the producer for the Stellar Awards Artist Showcase and actually gave me the opportunity to be the producer's assistant. So I got to work on that and work right under her and see what she's doing and help out in any way that I could to make it happen. It felt really great to be trusted with that responsibility. Like I said, once you do take a TammyDele Films course, you're family. So they're calling you first because they know how you work. They've seen you in the workshops, and it's great. It's a really awesome connection. And then you connect with your peers that took the class with you, and you see as you and your peers are moving up and who's moving where, and does someone like art production more, and does someone want to be more so in wardrobe, or did someone get on set and they like being production assistant best, and who wants to move to directors. That's another thing that I really enjoyed about TammyDele Films, is that they took interest in our specific interests. So they wanted to know, what do you want to do specifically? So there were some of us that wanted to do mainly director of photography. Some of us were interested in lighting and electric. Some of us were interested in more of an office PA, stepping back a bit and just knowing that you're involved. So I really liked that they took the time to see where each of us wanted to go and give us opportunities from there. It was kind of funny because I was a bit scared and nervous to tell them that after a while I was like, I don't think I want to do set PA anymore. I'm feeling more of post-production. And I'd gotten so many set PA opportunities from them that I was nervous that they might think it was a waste, but no. As soon as I told them TammyDele Films was giving me post-production advice, different ways to get into the industry that I want to get into, and I'm forever grateful for that. As I said, once you join and take a workshop, you are family forever.